Hey y'all, what's good? It's your girl Nai. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you. And to my returning subscribers, hey boo, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm showing you guys how I wrap my straight hair at night before I go to bed. So if you're interested, stay tuned. But first, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so you'll be notified whenever your girl posts a new video. Now that that's done, let go. Hey y'all, so what you're going to need to wrap your hair is a paddle brush, some alligator clips or any type of clips that you have on hand. Bobby pins work as well, and a mesh wrap to make sure that your wrap is staying in place. So what I'm going to do right now is brush out my hair to make sure that it is nice and detangled. Alright, so now that my hair is nice and detangled, I'm going to basically just part my hair with the paddle brush, and then take like a little small section and then just brush it over like I'm doing right there. And then I'm going to grab one of my clips and clip that section down so that way it can stay down while I work on the other parts of wrapping my hair. So now I'm just going to take another section and just brush it over. I really could have just brushed that whole back section over and just clipped it down, but this is like a beginner friendly video, so it's good to work in sections while wrapping your hair so you can get the concept of it. So now this last section that's in the back, I'm just gonna do the same thing and just brush it over and clip it down. Depending on the length of your hair, you could use as many clips as needed. Honestly, I could have just used one clip, but I'm going to use two just to make sure that nothing falls down or anything like that. So I forgot to mention this in the beginning of the video, but I'm just using my bristle brush just to smooth down the hairs. You can use a bristle brush to smooth down the hairs as well, but it's optional. You really don't need it. But yeah, so now I'm just going to grab my mesh wrap, and then I'm just going to apply it on my hair and make sure that it is nice and secured. And then I'm going to take my clips out. So by the way, if you guys would like to know how I straighten my natural hair, definitely check out my last video. I will be linking it up in the cards up above for you guys, so you could check it out if you're interested. But anywho, I'm just going to use my satin scarf to wrap up my hair, because y'all already know your girl does not go to bed without protecting her hair, and that's on period. So you can use a satin scarf, or you can use a do-rag to I can't even talk. So you can secure your hair and make sure that that mesh wrap does not come off. And this is the point that I stop at, because I'm not really a wild sleeper. But if you are a wild sleeper, or if you're afraid that your scarf is going to come off in the middle of the night, go ahead and get you your bonnet and put it on top of your head for extra security, so you ain't gotta have no worries. Hey y'all, so it's actually 2 days later since I recorded that video of me wrapping my hair. Of course my hair is not tied up, well, the scarf is not tied up the same way I tied it up inside the other video, but yeah, you get the gist. I forgot I tied it up in the back. So here's my hair. Anyways, girl, so I'm about to brush my hair down so y'all can see how the end results look. I'm pretty sure y'all saw the end results. So when you brush your hair down, you just want to brush it the way that you wrapped it, and then brush downward. So usually I would just go in, like after I take my wrap off, I would just shake my head like I just did not too long ago. But I would just shake my head until all my hair comes out of the wrap. Or you can brush your hair down like I'm doing now. But yeah, either way it goes, your hair will come out nice and beautiful and still straight. And then after I just finish brushing out my hair, I'm going to find the side that I want my part on, use my rat tail comb, and just define my part a little bit, and then just keep on brushing my hair until I get it to how I like it. So wrapping your hair is pretty easy after you learn how to do it and keep on doing it and trying and perfecting it. I remember I used to struggle when I had a perm, but now, I mean, it's like riding a bike. Once when you get on, you know how to do it. So if you are a beginner, just make sure that you're using your clips, your bobby pins, because those will definitely be your best friend while you're wrapping your hair. Alright y'all, so these are my results after wrapping my hair and brushing my hair down. My hair still looks good. So this is how I preserve my straight hair whenever I straighten my hair, of course. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, like smash that like button right now. Also comment down below, because you know I love chatting with y'all. Make sure you blow up them comments, and let's just go ahead and get these conversations going and flowing. And if you're new here and you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell so you'll be notified whenever your girl posts a new video. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.